Hello everyone. So this topic is related to ambiguous case in sine rule. So what is ambiguous case? Ambiguous case is if from given data or if from given information of triangle, we can draw two triangles from the given information. That means that informations are satisfying ambiguous case. If from the given information we cannot draw two triangles, or if from the given information two triangles are not exist, that means the case is not ambiguous case. Let's see with the example. Like if you have some information about triangle, that angle A is given 58 degree and side B, that means side in front of angle B, that is given 12.8 and A is given 11.4. Let's take centimeter. So if from this given information you can draw two triangles, that means the case is ambiguous case in sine rule. So first draw triangle where angle A is 58 degree, that is acute angle, and angle B is 12.8. Let's see, your triangle is like this. So where angle A is 58 degree, A, B, and C. So in front of B, side B, in front of A and side A, and this is side C. See, we have information is angle A is 58, B is equals to 12.8, and A is equals to 11.4 centimeter. So let's see here, because we don't know what is the value of angle C. We don't know what is the value of angle C. So see properly here, this A is 11.4. So we can say one triangle is like this, where A is 11.4, or we can draw another triangle also, something like this. I need to change color. Something like this, where A is equals to 11.4 centimeter. That case is also possible. In that case, here angle AC value, and for another case, C value, angle C will be different. For first triangle, this ACB, angle C is this one. And for another case, when this red line is equals to 11.4, in that case, value of angle C changed. And similarly for first triangle, here angle B, you can see acute angle. But in this case, angle B, when this B point shifted from here to here, in that case, value of B is obtuse angle. That means from the same given data, we can draw two triangles. Let's see how to prove it. Let's take for first triangle sine rule, because we have two sides and one angle, so we can apply sine rule. So let's say sine 58 degree over 11.4 equals to sine B over 12.8. So from here we can find angle B value. So sine B will be equals to 12.8, this 12.8, sine 58, cross multiply 11.4. So sine B is equals to, use your calculator and find the value, that will be equal to 0.9522. I already solved. You can check it. Now you have to find value of angle B. So angle B is equals to sine inverse 0.9522. So angle B will be, find sine inverse 0.9522, it will be equal to 72.5 21 degree. So for first case, you can see here, angle B is acute angle, value is equals to 72.21. Now see here, I already told, if you have circle, right? And here value is value of sine A is given 1/2. If any angle is sine A angle, and value of angle A is given 1/2. So here, where is sine 1/2? Sine 1/2 is here, where angle is equals to 30 degree. Sine 30 is equals to 1/2. That means here √3/2 over 1/2. So in this whole circle, you can tell value of sine 1/2 is not only one case. You can get 1/2 at two places. So another side here, also same value you get, that is equals to, here also √3/2 minus √3/2. Okay, this is negative sign, comma 1/2. And this angle is, if you comparing from here, so this angle is 30 degree, that is acute angle. And from here to another, this one, that is equals to 150 degree. That means sine 150 is equals to 1/2, and sine 30 is equals to also 1/2. That means angle B can be equals to 180 degree minus 72.21, which is equals to 107.79 degree. So that means there are two cases when angle of B is equals to 72.21, which is here. In that case, value of C will be different. And when angle B is equals to 107.79 degree, then this is obtuse angle. In that case, value of C will be different. So from this given data, you are going to draw two triangles. And you can prove here also. So now you have two values of angle B. Let's say case 1 and case 2. So case 1 is when angle B is equals to 72.21. If angle B is here 72.21, you can draw triangle. Draw triangle here. You can draw properly with measurement also. I am drawing here roughly. First triangle is this, where angle B is, first case, where angle B is equals to 72.21 degree. That is acute angle. And angle A is 58 degree. So what will be the value of angle C? 180 degree minus 58 degree minus 72.21 degree. That will be equal to almost 49.79 degree. You can check from calculator. So now triangle is 49.79 degree. So first case is this. When from the given information, you can draw triangle where angle C and angle B is acute angle. Next, case 2. I'm going to change color. Okay. Next case, where angle B already you found 107.79 degree. That means obtuse angle. So draw triangle here where angle A is 58 degree and angle B is obtuse angle. So your triangle will be something like this. So here this is 58 degree and this is 107.79 degree. So now you can find value of C. So angle C is equals to 180 minus 58 minus 107.79 degree. So angle C is equals to 14.21 degrees. So that cases also exist. So from the given data, you can draw two triangles where in first case, angle B is acute and angle C is also acute. And in second case, where angle B is obtuse and angle C is acute. So that means if from the given data we can draw, or if two triangle exist, that means that case is ambiguous case. Let's see example from your book. Same question, question number 13. Let's see A and B part. So for A and B part, okay. So for A part, angle A is given 92 degree, that is more than 90 obtuse angle, and B and A sides are given. Let's draw triangle where angle A is more than 90. Okay, so this is triangle where A, B, C. Angle A is 92 degree. Side A is 8.5 centimeter and B is 7.5 centimeter. For diagram also it is clear that BC is greater than AC and A is obtuse angle more than 90 degree. So let's see from the given data, can we draw two triangles? So what we have to use, sine rule. Sine 92 degree over 8.5 is equals to sine B over 7.5. So from here, sine B 7.5 sine 92 degree cross multiply 8.5. So use your calculator and find value. The value will be equal to sine B is equals to 0.8822. So from here, B is equals to sine inverse 0.8822. Here, one more thing I want to tell you. Inverse value we always find when front value, that like sine B is equals to 0.8822. That means if value is equal to less than 1, then only we find always inverse value. If that value is greater than 1, we cannot find inverse value. This is just another point I told here. Okay, now angle B will be equal to sine inverse 0.822. That is 61.91 degree. You please use your calculator and find the values. Now here angle B is 61.91 degree. Same case, if in circle, sine B is somewhere 61.9 degrees. So there will be another side also. There sine B will be, angle will be same. So now here, you have to find another value of angle B is 180 minus 61.91 degree. Like sine 30 is also 1 over 2 and sine 150 is also 1 over 2. So now here, an angle B is equals to 61.91 degree and another will be 180 minus 61.91 degree. that is equals to 118.09 degree. Okay, so now here case is clear. If one angle is 92 degree, another side is 61.91 degree. So how it is possible that another angle, no. Okay, sorry. So first angle is 92 degree and here angle B is 61.91 degree. There are two cases. One if angle B is 61.91 and another if angle B is 118.09. So no need to solve more. From here only you can say that if angle B is 61.91 degree, then what will be the value of angle C? 180 minus 92 minus 61.91. That means it will be some acute value you will get here. Find value, the value will be acute value. So that case is possible when angle B is 61.9 degree. Let's see for the second one, second case. Second case is 118.09. In that case, 118.09 plus 92, that is already more than 180 degree. That means another angle C is not possible. So from the given value, you can draw only one triangle where angle A is 92 degree, where angle B is 61.91 degree, and another angle C, which will be acute angle. For second case, from the given information, angle A is 92 degree and angle B is, answer is 118.09. That case is not possible because that value is already more than 180 degree. That means from this given information, we cannot draw two triangles. That means this case is not an ambiguous case in sine rule. So for first example, what I have given there, we already draw two triangles from the given information, means that is ambiguous case. For second case from the book, this example from your book, in that case, two triangles does not exist. That means this is not an ambiguous case. Let's see one more example from your book. B part. So in B, angle D is given 47 degree over 47 degree, and side D is given 75 meters, and side E is given 80 meters. Let's see here whether from this information we can draw two triangles or we cannot draw. Let's draw triangle here. Angle D is acute angle. Okay. So here, this is 47 degree D, E, F. So this is E, this is D, and here it is F. D is equals to given 75 meter, E is given 80 meter. Okay, so from this information, so take sine rule. Sine 47 degree over 75 meter is equals to sine E 80 meter. So from here, value of sine E, do cross multiply and find value of sine E, that will be equals to 0.7801. So angle E is equals to Sine inverse 0.7801. So angle E is equals to 51.27 degree. Next, what other angle? 180 minus 51.27 degree. There are two values of angle E. That will be equals to 128.73 degree. So there are two values when E is 51.27 degree and when angle E is 128 degree, 128.73 degree. This is not degree here. So case 1, there are again two cases. Case 1, when angle E is equals to 51.27 degree. Okay, if angle E is acute angle, that means it is equals to 51.27 degree. What will be the angle F? So angle F is equals to 180 minus 47. Simple triangle application here, 51.27 degrees. So angle F is equals to 180 minus 47 minus 51. It will be equals to 81.7 degrees. So this case is possible when angle F is acute angle. This is also acute angle. Here also acute angle. All three plus 180 degree. So first case is possible. Let's see case 2. When E is equals to 128.73. Okay, so 180 degree minus 1 is 47 minus 128.73 degree. In that case, angle F will be equals to 4.3 degree. Okay, that means this case is also possible where angle F is very small angle. How you can draw that triangle where angle F is very small, almost 4.3 degree like this. So where angle, I will change color. So where angle F, this smallest angle, that is equals to 4.3 degree only, it will be more smaller. And here angle E, this is shifted from here to here. In that case, angle E is obtuse angle equals to 128.73. So in that, so first case, the previous one, and in the second case, this one when angle E is obtuse angle. And in first case, when angle E is acute angle. So you already saw from here, from this given information in part B, you can draw two triangles from the given information. So this is clear now. If from the given information, we can draw two triangles, that is ambiguous case. If we cannot draw two triangles, that is not an ambiguous case. So now there are 4 more parts. You solve and decide whether it is ambiguous or not an ambiguous case. Okay, thank you.